Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovely people. Today is another day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Today I'm doing another tutorial with Ankara cloth, which will be bubu dress with extravagant sleeve. So now I'm measuring all around the sleeve. I've taken my measurements for the sleeve, and the sleeve round will be 9 and the length will be 20. So I'm going all around 20 inches to cut the flare shape. After the flare, I made a cape in front of the dress. So now this is the cape. I'm doing this in freehand cutting, no pattern, no drafting. I just measure my shoulder to under bust where I want the cape to be, from shoulder to the under bust, and then I measure the shoulder 6 inches and without armhole, and then I cut the shape as I'm cutting the shape now. After that, I will sew it. I'll make a ironing, place a stiff or Vaseline abrasive and iron it. After that, I will sew it in front of the dress, but I'll use the neck, that same neck to cape, to cut the front neck. So I have to straighten it so that the shape will be nice and little bit small. Okay, please like, subscribe and share. Please leave a comment down below. This is the cape in front of the dress that I sew it. In the side I made flare and goddess, sew it in goddess, and then I sew it side by side. And yesterday was Mother Day, so I invite my mother to join me on my video. So happy Mother's Day to all. This is the neck cape. I'm using it to cut the front part, body part of the dress, and then the back I'll cut it separate. The armhole, the shoulder is 8. I did 8 because of after sewing you have to trace, bring it to the right measurement. The measurement is 7. My shoulder measurement is 7, and the armhole I did it 10. So I measure from shoulder to the arm chest line, and I mark it to cut the armhole. This is freehand cutting style, without drafting, without brooder pattern. This is freehand cutting. So what I need is the shoulder, the neck, the chest, and the bust, my bust measurements, and my hip. I make it loose. This dress is loose, so I made it like patapa. Like this bubu is patapa. That's how we said it in Ghanaian language, patapa or bubu. That's Nigerian bubu. Yes. So I measure the armpits from the shoulder to the chest line, from the shoulder to the bust line, and then I draw the armhole line and I cut it. To fit my taste, because bubu, the armhole have to be little large, and after that I'll use that measurement to cut the flare. So this is the flare that I'm drawing, 20 inches all round, and after that this is the sleeve without the sling. So after that I cut it and then sew it on the dress. This is it.
Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who sin against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For that is your kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Jesus, come and kiss me. Come and bless me. With kisses of your mouth, for your love is more delightful than wine. So please bless me with all your love. Pleasing is the fragrance of your perfume. Your name is like a perfume. Pour out no wonder that the maidens loves you. Take me away with you. Let us hurry, oh Lord. Let the King bring me into his presence, oh Lord. Take me away, take me away, take me away, oh Lord. Take me away, take me away, take me away, oh Lord. Take me away. Like another tree among trees of the forest, I'm glad to see in the shade.
neck to cut it, so I didn't show it on the video, but this is for the side flare. So I'm taking it, measuring the flare so that I can cut it and use it to sew. All right, please watch my next video, and I upload always twice, once in 2 weeks. Once in 2 weeks I upload new video. So please, this style is in, so please check it and do it. If you have any help, if you want any help, you can email me, you can send me email or leave a comment down below and your number. My email is rebeccamoeni@aol.com or .de. Thanks for watching.